Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys is
Halloween on a Saturday instead of Sunday, so
Yep.
this is fake Halloween.
And today guys,
Sword candy.
here's RJ.
Here's sword candy. Wait a second.
Okay, we sorting candy here for Halloween.
Do I have messy hair?
For the kids Halloween.
Do I have messy hair?
And here is lollipop.
Lolly. Look at all these lollipops.
M&M's.
Big lollipop.
M&M's and
Reese's.
Reese's. Sure, RJ.
We got Reese's. Glow in the dark, so the wrapper glows in the dark.
Yep.
And we have Milky Way.
Yeah.
We have this thing called yolk.
York.
York.
And then we have Snickers peanut butter.
Yeah.
But if you don't want Snickers peanut butter, we have Snickers original.
Yep. That I like.
We have Twix.
Oh, I like that too.
And you have left Twix and right Twix.
Yep.
And we got Hershey.
Here's your favorite RJ.
Then we have the one on Kit Kat.
Yep, Kit Kat. Oh, I like that.
Kit Kat.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't see the Kit Kat inside from the letters. And then we got M&M's.
Yeah, but look at the M&M.
One
And more M&M's too.
And have
and
your...
more M&M's.
Yep. Wow, and there is the RJ candy, a balat.
We got Hershey. We got
And have other
Ring Pop.
here,
Dove candy.
Dove candy.
Gobsters. Sweet tarts.
And have other here, Kisses.
Nerds.
And this here, Tootsie Roll. Oh, pull down now, RJ.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. And
Fake M&M's.
open now, RJ. Put in the box. How was this bucket? Oh, you open now, honey?
Okay, this is our bucket.
Oh, we not open yet, honey? Because it's
No, we open yet. Well, let's get the loose stuff.
Sunday, honey.
Let's get the loose stuff first.
Sunday, the Halloween.
So when we gonna open and put it in here?
Let's dump this.
Make
in.
hard that, honey, if you open. Okay?
No,
That,
That's a
the
lot of
M&M's are
M&M's.
sealed.
yeah, but that there.
Yeah, we're not opening that yet.
We not open
Well,
that.
that's all sealed inside there.
Yeah, but that's better.
Let's only open the Kit Kat. Let's
And
only
this
open the Kit Kat.
have a lot of candy for the kids. We just put in the front of the door, and the
No,
kids.
we're gonna put it by hand. We'll give it to them. Wear a mask.
Okay. That'll be fun.
Well, that's what they said on the news. That it's okay, it's outdoors, trick or treat.
Okay, let's open one thing. And that one thing's gonna be this. Kit Kat.
Why you want to eat that?
No.
Hey, what do you want to do? You want to open everything, get it ready?
The Hershey.
Okay,
the
open.
Hershey. Ready? Get it
Well,
back.
this is what we're going to use for Halloween, so we got to dump this out.
Wait.
What?
Winkle batter in there.
Have a lot of M&M series.
Why?
We got it cheap. It was like ridiculously cheap.
Yeah. Kay
Super.
dire sa Amerika, ilang Halloween dire traditional. Kay maghatag og candy sa mga bata. Yes,
Wow,
open
oh my
daddy.
God, how many?
It's yours, RJ.
1, 2, 3,
You count?
Out
4.
later.
No, later that RJ. So long. There you go.
Oh, the Hershey.
There is.
Snickers.
Look at
Now
that.
This is for mommy.
Yep, I like this. Thank you, RJ. Oh, butter! Snicker! Oh, I like this. I get one,
Peanut
RJ.
butter.
You can get them later, get whatever you want.
I get one.
Milky Way.
Milky Way, my favorite too. Look at the.
These are big.
Yep, big. That's
Okay.
why it's
No,
look
it's even
expensive.
Look at this.
Yep.
Lucky. Oh, these are big.
Yep.
Reese's. Look, glow in the dark.
Ooh, Reese's. Oh, what else?
Twix. Oh.
Wow.
Twix.
I like Twix. I get one.
Twix. Left.
Yep.
Twix right.
We don't need to buy any more candy. That's for sure.
Yep, a balot.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. I get one too. I save one.
And yolk.
Yep. I think it's coconut. That RG is not coconut.
This is peppermint.
Yeah, peppermint.
Dark chocolate peppermint.
Yep.
So
Cannot open RJ.
M&M
Sorry.
bags.
It's
He
daddy.
doesn't like opening.
Something's easy.
I don't do that. Go get a scissor.
The M&M's we'll put in here.
Yep.
There's so many.
Yep.
This basket's gotta go. Garbage.
That's not. It's okay. Where's RJ? Ta-da!
You mix all that in that too, right?
Purple.
Here you go. Whoa, different color.
Come on.
I'm gonna take this side out.
Open all, RJ. Rip off that RJ. Rip RJ. Okay. There he is. So, morning traditional sa Amerika.
Just mix it up.
Giving candy to the
Mix it up.
kids.
So where's the M&M?
And the Halloween
Put them in a
day.
separate bag. Keep them all in there. Separate bowl. We're gonna mix them in later.
Look at all this candy.
Yep,
Kit
a
Kat
lot.
looks so plain.
This too, give this to
No.
us.
No,
RJ,
Is that opened?
Yeah.
So we can't get it.
it's close that. See?
It's my candy. That's
Okay.
my lollipop.
Okay.
Okay, let's put RJ's candy in here. What's this? Tootsie Roll?
Yep. This is with that in an M store, RJ.
In that bag.
Yep.
What?
What's the flat mixture?
I will not open that, RJ. If maybe so many now, this RJ. We open if have lacking
It's a
for
lot of
candy.
candy.
Yep, a balad. This candy, all chocolate, mostly chocolate. So, okay guys. See you in Halloween.
Trick or treating.
Yeah. So, we go in outside guys. I want to show you guys. So, happy Halloween guys!
Trick or treat.
At ito ang traditional dito sa Amerika. You know, si RJ nag-costume na. Yan, na flash. Mayroon na siya costume. Dahil, hindi namin alam kung Saturday and Halloween, trick-or-treating, but is Saturday. You just know that have kids here. Doorbelling in the door. So, let's go, guys. I want to show you guys. So, let's see outside. Here's the dinosaur. Have no people there, Ajay. Come here now. Hey, come here. Have no people. Here, we go to the other house. No. Come here. Okay, we go to other house. Next house. Okay, have no people. Come here. Oh, there is. Hello. Happy Halloween.
Wonderful Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here is Halloween. Look at that. Okay, go to the other side. Oh, be careful. You fall down. No. What's that of smoke, RJ? What's in there? Oh no. Okay, come here now. Have no people. Okay, come here. Hi. Ooh, happy Halloween.
That one is a sour one. Do you like sour things? A Snickers? That's what I would choose.
Thank you.
Have fun. You're welcome.
Okay, come here. Have no people there, AJ. Oh, there is. Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, see ya.
Hey, Steve. Just take as much as you want. Take some candy. I'm gonna go serve some. No, take it.
Nikki.
You want a piece of candy?
Nikki.
We have a little triple.
He said you can take a hand. Take a handful. Take a hand. No, take it. Take it. I want to push it up. Sorry.
Hey, Sarji, what you got, RJ? What you got? What you got?
I got a handful. He said to get a handful.
Yeah.
The only thing that's holding his buck is the popcorn.
Guys, we go to the other house. Ano ilang traditional diri, guys. So, kita na ko sa inyo, guys, oh. Look at that. Wow. It's scary, RJ. It's scary. Oh no. Boo.
Stuff looks like fire.
Boo. Okay. Here is RJ. Yeah. Tree is full. All the leaves. Next house here. No, have no people. Come here. Ali, come here.
Hi.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, we go to the other house. Ooh.
Yeah, heavy this popcorn.
Whoa, a lot of popcorn. There's the other one. This-
I like your costume.
Hey, RJ. You cannot see. What you doing to you?
I hate this mask.
You just go next. Yeah. See, just put like that. See that like that I want RJ for ours. Ooh, look at the other one. Ooh. Got that there. Okay, we're here again in the other house. Okay, have no RJ for now. No people there. Okay, go to the other side. There you go. Yeah. Yes. Ooh. Look at that.
Go back.
Here you go. You go there.
Okay, let's go this way.
Yeah. Look at that. The people there have a lot.
Lights are on.
Lot of people are just in the cul-de-sac. Oh, look at that. Happy Halloween! Thank you! Yep, here you go. Wow! It's so cool. There you go, RJ. Okay, go to the next. Go to the next house. Oh, it's cold here, guys. You have that? Okay. Doorbell, I think. Look at that spider.
Hi. Bye.
Thank you.
Right there.
Ooh, spider. Here's RJ. Go to the next one. What?
This is Halloween. Let's go look. Let's see. That was like.
Here's RJ. His bucket almost full.
Let's go back home then Dad.
Let's see your bucket. Ooh.
The only thing that's heavy is this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Happy Halloween!
Thank you.
You're welcome! Happy Halloween! Have so
Happy
much fun!
Halloween.
Bye guys!
Here's RJ.
You guys look awesome. Nice job.
Look at that.
One, one, two. I got the same. Plus
Yeah.
one.
My God, this is so dark now. Okay guys, we're here now in the house. Low memory, my memory
Ready?
card. So here is kid, baby. There you got Arjun. Look at the... Yeah. It's the first box. Next, we go to the other side. Ooh, of other people. There you got RJ. We go in the other side later, guys. Because my phone is low. We go again. Next. We just back home here. And there's RJ. This he got all the chocolate. Here he is. Okay, see you later.